Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this Tamiya Comical Grasshopper kit, and this will be my first comical kit. I've never built one of these before. I have built the Grasshopper and the Grasshopper 2. I really enjoyed it, so I thought I would build this one too. So let's get this open. Alright, I think that's better. I see something I'm really excited about. This is an older kit, I guess. It doesn't come with the Hobbywing 1060. It does come with the Tamiya TBLE02S. So this is going to be a collector's item. So I'm not going to open this. I will find another ESC for this kit. I'm glad I got this. And here is the comical Tamiya body. I was hoping it was going to be plastic just like the regular Grasshopper, but I'm fine with that. I'll go ahead and paint this. I'm a little surprised that a comical kit, something that should be a little bit easier to build, has a polycarbonate body, but who knows. Let's check out these tires. I really like these tires, the size of them. And look how nice the tread is. That's cool. I like these. And the green Grasshopper wheels. I like that green as well. That's really nice. So these are going to be the caps. I wonder what the wheels look like, or if there are wheels at all. Let's see. And this is going to be the uprights. I see the steering uprights here. These are the rear. I see some C-hubs and the wheel hexes. I see servo saver parts right here. So that's going to be this. This is the B tree. And this looks like it's going to be part of the arms. These are the suspension arms. And I'm not recognizing everything. I haven't looked at the manual yet, so I don't know what everything is, but this is interesting. And so this is going to be the L tree. All right. Here's the driver figure. I always like painting these. And here's the front bumper and probably some other body parts for the chassis. And let's take this out. And this is the D tree, and that looks like the chassis itself. It's a monocoque design. That's pretty cool. It's one piece. Very nice. And this looks like it's also part of chassis, the frame. And these look like the rear wheelie bars. And that's probably a rear bumper. Okay, there we go. And these are the wheels. They are cast white, so I guess the green caps go on top of that. So that's pretty cool. And this is the transmission. Oh, that's really nice. So the transmission is pre-built. Unfortunately, it is pre-built with plastic bushings. So I'll show how to build this kit as is, and then I really want to take this transmission apart and replace all the plastic bushings with ball bearings. So that'll be that. And these are going to be the parts bag. We'll take a look at this in a minute. Another antenna tube. So this is the setup sheet. It shows you about this is the wheelie bar attachment, and these are the suspension settings, so you can There are 3 holes for the rear suspension to set the ride height higher and lower. Very cool. And this is instructions to paint the body, where the trim lines are, and also where to punch the holes. And this is going to need only one color, PS1, if you want to paint it white. This is the disclaimer sheet that every Tamiya RC car has. And here's the manual. We'll take a look at this. And this is the decal sheet. Really nice decals. I love these colors. And there's a couple comical cartoon illustrations of the car right there. So really nice. I really like this. Alright, here we go. So far this is a lot more complicated than I was anticipating. I thought this was going to be a really simple kit. And this is the A parts bag. I see the cross wrench. I see the drive cups right here. I see the dog bones. Let's see. I don't see the axles here, but oh, there's the axles. So this is going to be mainly the drivetrain parts. Bag A. Bag B is going to be, oh, there's a lot of screws. There's a couple more drive cups. This U-shaped metal bar is for the suspension. I imagine it would be the front suspension. I see some rod ends right there. And just a whole lot of screws and some plastic bushings. Bag C is going to be for the dampers. Oh, so these are oil-filled dampers. Very nice. And those are going to be the bladders. I see some O-rings. These are the springs. And these are going to be, those things right there are going to be pistons. Very cool. And there's also bag D. So I'd imagine these are the, there's a lot of springs. Alright. So double-sided tape, some zip ties. This is probably for suspension. More screws, more plastic bushings, some very small washers, and 2 more springs. So I'm interested to see what that's for. And these bags look like they're both for the dampers. So the damper body, the caps. So that's going to be in this bag, and this is going to be the pretension, spacers, the perch, and the rod ends. And here are the different size pistons. So I'm not sure why these are here. It's going to be fixed pistons. We'll see. And this bag has, these 2 are rubber tubes. I'm not sure what that's going to be. Probably going to be for the dampers, but we'll see. And some body clips, and this is going to be double-sided tape. So that's everything in that bag. Let's take a look at the manual. So the Comical chassis is going to be the WR-02CB chassis. So let's flip this through. We're going to need to have a servo, also a radio system, battery, charger, etc. Some of the tools you'll need, some safety precautions, and this is the arrangement of the electronics. And we're going to start right off with showing you the gearbox come pre-assembled and the motor installed. That's really cool. Here are the rear arms, attaching the rear arms to the gearbox and building the wheelie bar, attaching that, and then I'm going to start working on the uprights. And then we're going to jump right into the electronics. Going to put together the servo and the steering links, and then we're going to start assembling the chassis. So this is actually very close to some of the other kits I'm building, similar to the Kong head, for example. Here are the front arms, and like I suspected, that U-bar is for the front arms. And here are the steering uprights, and then we're going to jump into the dampers, and then attaching the dampers, and then we're going to assemble the front chassis, kind of the frame chassis with the gearbox part of the chassis, the rear part, and then we'll put on the body posts. And here are the frame pieces that we saw, and this is all going to be for the chassis. ESC is going to be attached, connect to the motor. There are the wheels. Let's see what else. Wheels and tires. I see. So this is the front bumper, and I guess there's an option for this one as well. I like that traditional one better. And there's some tailpipes. I didn't know those were there. Okay, and then painting the driver figure, and also how to attach the mirrors to the body after you paint it. And you can even run LEDs for this kit. And it'll show you where to connect where to tape the lighting unit. So if you wanted to, like I'm going to do, take apart the gearbox and then swap out all the plastic bushings with ball bearings. So here are the instructions. It's very straightforward. If you've built a Tamiya kit before, you'll be pretty familiar with this. This is just like I said, just like the Kong head, Wild Willie, and other kits kind of in this skill level. And then we'll remount the motor and things like that. I'll probably definitely be doing this. And then here's some more of the parts. Here's the parts tree. So it turns out those two frames are not used. The dark parts are parts that are not used. So it turns out, I wonder what those are. What it could replace, or why they're there in the first place. So that's the rest of the parts and the Comical Grasshopper manual with the WR-02CB chassis. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will definitely have fun building this, and I want to build this before I build the Grand Hauler. Just something to transition so that it's not, because I know that Grand Hauler is going to take me a couple months to finish. So I wanted something in between, something that would be interesting for the holiday season coming up. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.